Hi, my name is Emilee. I'm from Lethbridge, Alberta. I'm in the Bachelor of Science in Forensic Science at Trent University, and I'm also in my final year. What I really liked about this program is in the first 2 years, you focus a lot on the crime scene investigation itself and how to go about crime scenes, a proper protocol, what they do, and then in your upper year level courses, you kind of go into how you process the evidence, such as DNA evidence, blood stain pattern analysis. One of the unique things about this program, and what drew me to this program in particular, was the crime scene house. It's actually just on the edge of campus, and you get to actually process the crime scene like you would in real life. So you get to go on, you dress up in your PPE with like bunny suits and goggles and foot covers, and you get to go and enter a crime scene. You get to note take, you get to draw out the crime scene, you get to photograph the crime scene, and then you get to actually collect evidence and how they properly collect evidence and work chain of custody, which is also really cool. It's exactly what law enforcement do. We have 2 labs that are within this program. We have called the dry lab and the wet lab. So the dry lab is where we get to do like microscopic analysis, and we get to look at hair fibers and bugs too. We do entomology labs where we get to look at the study of bugs and how they relate to forensic science, which is cool. And then we also have wet labs where you get to do like blood stain pattern analysis. You have cameras that are set up to take really detailed photos of these bloodstain patterns, and so it kind of gives you the opportunity to look at microscopic analysis as well as to look at wet labs with the fingerprints too. So we have the ability to do our own fingerprinting, and they actually get to have us do different methods of fingerprint analysis. So we're not just learning one method, but we're learning several methods that are actually used within law enforcement. In your 4th year, you get to do a community-based project, an independent project, or a thesis. I chose thesis. And what I really liked about that is I got to learn the research behind some of this stuff that you get to do, and it was just a different experience than what I get in class, and now I'm pursuing research.